Over a year ago, the Senate introduced the first immigration reform bill since 2007. Unfortunately, the bill still hasn't passed in Congress. There has been some confusion about what the proposed bill means for immigrants and their families. While this proposed bill would strengthen our economy, keep families together, and bring millions of undocumented immigrants out of the shadows, it's important to note that no new immigration laws have passed yet. I have heard heart-wrenching stories about unlicensed and unqualified individuals, often called notarios, who are increasingly taking advantage of confusion surrounding proposed immigration legislation and illegally offering advice to unsuspecting immigrants. Often, victims lose opportunities to pursue immigration relief because a notario has permanently damaged their case. This could lead to deportation, placing an undue burden on victims' families. The immigration process is already daunting enough for those attempting to immigrate lawfully into our country. Congress must help immigrants who have fallen victim to fraudulent practices and take steps to expose the dangers of notario fraud. To protect immigrants who fall prey to these scams and repair the damages to our vulnerable immigrant communities, I'm introducing the Notario Victim Relief Act. The Notario Victim Relief Act would give fraud victims who provide sufficient evidence an unlimited time frame to refile their immigration-related paperwork so they have the opportunity to reopen their cases and immigrate lawfully. I came to Congress to give my constituents a voice. In the coming months, I will work with community organizations to provide helpful tips on how individuals and families may avoid being victimized. I want to hear from you too, and I welcome your calls and your emails. To learn more about the Notario Victim Relief Act and to find out how you can protect yourself and your family from notario fraud, please visit my website at veasey.house.gov. Together, we can put an end to notario fraud in our communities.